All right. Now I want to create a team within the Thingsboard project. So I click on Projects. I click on Thingsboard. Yeah, and I forget that I am still logged in as an admin. So I will log out. I put her an email address and password for a user. So I log in. Now I am logged in as a user. This is the admin, project owner, but I am logged in as a user. And now I can create a team. So under the projects, click on your project, and now we can create a team for the project. So let's click on team. And I will add members. All right, so click on add member. And I've got 2 members here. So I click on myself and I select Lukáš to join me in a team. I click on standard user license 7 because I have admin, and these 2, that means 3, and the limit is 10 users. So add members, and then that's it. Project owner, not assignee. All right, so what I would like to do is to assign a role, probably. So add 2 assignees. Add 2 assignees. Team roles, edit. These roles are automatically granted to the members in the project. All right, so, but you probably can assign a different roles here as well. Okay, so this is how the team is created under the project.